The charts below show the number of people, odamlarning raqamini, in Europe who were affected by four types of noise. To'rtta shovqin turidan. By day, kunduzi, and night, kechasi, in cities, shaharlarda, and rural areas, qishloq hududlarida. City. Number of people who were affected by four types of noise pollution in day and night in city, millions. Day and night. So day is going to be blue one and night is going to be a red one. So traffic, train, aircraft, and industry. Rural areas. Traffic, train, aircraft, and industry. So I guess it's similar. It is similar in cities and rural areas. Industry is the least affecting factor, and traffic is the most affecting factor, right? So day and night. Xo'p, kunduzi demak shaharlarda ko'p ekan, qishloqlarda ham demak kunduzgi raqamlar ko'p ekan. Lekin industriyni hisobga olish kerak, qishloqda yo'q edi. So firstly, I'm going to write introduction, right? Introduction. So paraphrase. Overview. Overview. More noise during the day than night in cities. Shaharlarda. Okay. In cities and in cities. Hop, shaharlarda demek traffic the highest, eng balandi. Bunga plus industry the lowest, right? In rural areas, qishloq hududlarida. Areas, right? Rural areas, traffic again. Hop, plus aircraft. Hop, plus no industry noise. Menimcha shu. Hop, main body 1. For main body 1, I'm going to talk about only city, and for main body 2, I'm going to talk about only rural areas. Yoki main body 1 ga qilishim mumkin. Traffic and train. Main body 2, aircraft and industry. Aircraft and industry. Hop, bu planning inshoimiz uchun in introduction yozaylik. The charts below shows the number of people in Europe who were affected by four types of noise. The report outlines data regarding the influence of noise types. So they are going to be traffic, train, aircraft, and lastly industry. In urban and rural areas of Europe, the influence of noise types on people. Right. Maybe of noise types in rural and in urban and on urban and rural citizens in millions of Europe, right? Of Europe. So what year? In the year, just in 2007. In 2007. Into parts. In general, the exposure to the noise was more significant during the day than the night. Regardless of the region. Hududga qaramasdan. In urban places, in urban cities, maybe. In urban places, the leading factor for noise pollution was traffic. The same scenario also in rural places, in rural ones. Though it was industry that had less impact on people, and it wasn't the similar case in rural areas where noise are generated by aircraft reasons was with the least effect. In general, umumiy holatda exposure, demak olib chiqish to the noise was more significant during the day. Kun davomida ko'proq edi than the night, kechadan ko'ra. Regardless of the region, hududga qaramasdan. In urban places, shahar joylarda the leading factor, asosiy sabab for noise pollution was traffic edi. Demak, the same scenario, bir xil holat also in rural ones, qishloq hududlarda. Though shunga qaramasdan it was industry, bu industry edi that had less impact on people, odamlarda kamroq ta'sir ko'rsatgan, demak kamroq. And it wasn't the similar case, bu bir xil holat emas edi in rural areas, qishloq hududlarda. Demak, there was no noise no noise pollution. Okay. Absent no industry noise in these areas. No industry noise in these areas. Where noise generated by aircraft reasons was with the least effect. Hope industry related industry related exposure. Okay. Population. Aircraft. Okay, so hop bir qator to'g'rilab oldim. Endi to'g'rilab olmadim-u. Yaxshiroq so'zlar bilan almashtirib oldim. Demak, umumiy holatda exposure to the noise was more significant during the day. Kun davomida balandroq edi. Then the night, kunduzgi vaqtdan ko'ra, regardless of the region, hududga qaramasdan. Shahar hududlarida asosiy sabab noise pollutionga trafik edi. The same scenario, demak bir xil vaziyat, shuningdek qishloq hududlarda. Garchi bu industriyada qaysiki kamroq impact qilgan on people and it wasn't the similar case, bir xil vaziyat emas edi qishloq hududlarida. No industry related noise in these areas. Industry related noise umuman yo'q edi. Yo'q edi-da. Where qayerdaki the amount of affected population by aircraft noise lagged behind. Qayerdaki mana shu eng oxirgisi edi. Demak, the volume of population the volume of population affected by traffic and train related noise was greater than any of the factors during the day 46 right 46 millions of citizens suffered from traffic noise and it the night the figure fell heavily to 48 millions. Their rural counterparts had, however, exhibited however, considerably less market numbers during the day 34 million and 24 million at the night. The second most trigger, right? The most second driver for noise pollution was train related ones, where again more effective okay, again more affected individual numbers in urban places. 10 versus 8 million during the day and night, respectively, while figures followed closely by a margin of 2 million in each part of the day. Yeah, it was really nice sentence. During each part of the day. Hop. Demek biz trafik bilan trainni yozib oldik. Ham cityda, ham rural joylarda, ya'ni qishloq hududlarida. Va mana birinchi kirishni yapib qolyapman. The volume of population affected by traffic and train related noise. Mana shulardan ta'sirlangan odamlarning miqdori kattaroq edi than any of the factors. Har qanday faktorlardan ko'ra. During the day kun davomida 64 million aholi deyapti suffered aziyat chekdi traffic noise va kechasi deyapti the figure ancha pasaydi 48 millionga fell heavily. Their rural counterpart. So counterpart is a great word. Ularning qishloqdagi sheriklari yo shunga counterpart. Inson bir xil maqsaddagi boshqa hududda, ya'ni boshqa joyda, ya'ni bir xil aytilayotgan inson faqat boshqa hududda. Ya'ni ularni aziyat chekayotgan odamlar faqat qishloq hududlarida namoyish qildi, ammo biroq so just pay attention how I am using however less market numbers, kamroq market sizlarning raqamlarda. Kun davomida 34 million va 24 million kechasi. The second most driver in ikkinchi sabab for noise pollution was train related ones. Trenga oid edi. Qayerdagi qaytadan ko'proq affected individual numberlari bor edi. Where again more affected individual numbers was observed, right? Were observed in urban place, shahar joylarida. 10 qarshi 8 millionlarga kun davomida respectively. So respectively means night is for 8 and 10 is for during the day. Qayerdagi raqamlar followed closely demak juda yaqin ergashdi. By a margin of demak farqi bilan 2 million farqi bilan har kun qismida. Demak e'tibor bersak, bu yerda 10 bo'lsa, bu yerda 8, demak 2 million past. Bu yerda 8 bo'lsa, bu yerda 6, yana 2 million past. Demak by a margin of 2 million in each part of the day. Bu degani har bir kun davomida. Demak 10 bo'lgan bo'lsa 8, 8 bo'lgan bo'lsa 6 ga to'g'ri kelyapti degan narsa chiqyapti. Xo'p, e'tibor bergan bo'lsangiz, mana bu bo'yicha yozyapman bu yerda. Ya'ni butun badiim shu bo'yicha. Endi bu bo'yicha yozaman hozir. Organization bo'yicha main body 2 aircraft and industry. Xo'p. Nima desak bo'ladi endi? Noise exposure from aircraft and industry noise exposure generated produced by aircraft in industry was relatively had relatively less amount of impacted relatively on less amount of population. Only 4.1 million of people was affected by aircraft noise during the hop aircraft noise during the day and the night respectively in urban regions while during the day while rural while less rural comparatively smaller comparatively smaller numbers of rural citizens were suffered from it at 2 million and okay, notably for nighttime exposure the figures were similar, identical, or maybe identical as far as industry effects as far as the industry effect was concerned, there were 1 million and a quarter. There were 1 million daytime affected population, and the quarter at the night, and the quarter of that at the night. Notably, in rural areas, the industry noise, the influence of industry noise was not observed at all. Hop. Noise exposure, shovqinga chiqish, aircraft va industry tomonidan impacted ta'sir qildi. Relatively on less amount of population. Kamroq odamlarga. Faqatgina 4 va 1 million odamlar ta'sir ko'rgan edi aircraft noisedan kun davomida va kechasi respectively in urban regions, shahar hududlarida, again respectively, qayerdaki comparatively solishtirganda kamroq miqdorlari shahar aholisini suffered from it, undan aziyat chekdi. At 2 million, 2 millionda, at 2 million. Strikingly, for nighttime exposure, kechki paytdagi exposurega figures were identical. Raqamlar bir xil edi. Raqamlar bir xil edi. Only 4 million of people was affected by aircraft noise during the day. Shahar hududlarida va comparatively smaller numbers of rural citizens suffered from it at 2 million. Strikingly, for nighttime exposure, the figures were identical in both mentioned regions. Ikkala aytib o'tilgan hududlarda. Demak, nima qildim? 4-2 edi. Bu ikkalasini aytib oldim. Shaharda ham, qishloq hududda ham bir xil edi, bir edi. Buni yana qaytadan aytib ketdim. Ya'ni 4 million aholi ta'sir ko'rdi aircraftdan kun davomida shahar hududlarida, 2 million esa dedim qishloq hududlarida. Lekin strikingly is another really good word that you can use for your bodies. Notably ni ma'nodoshi endi e'tibor bergan holatda. Kechki payt exposure uchun the figures, raqamlar bir xil edi. Ikkala aytib o'tilgan hududlarda ham. At the night, kechasi. As far as the industry effect was concerned, industry effect hisobga olinganda, bu yerda 1 million bor edi daytime affected population, kun davomida ta'sir ko'rgan. Endi quarter of that at the night, va uning 4dan biri kechasi. Endi quarter degan bu 0.25 degan, mana buni aytib beryapman. Endi bu yerda 00 edi. Notably, sezilarli holatda dedim, shahar qishloq hududlarida the influence of industry noise the influence was not observed at all. Umuman kuzatilmagandi dedi. Va ko'rib turganlaringdek bizda tayyor. Faqat endi bitta ish qilamiz. Nima deydigan bo'lsak, bu ikkinchi main body organization edi. Endi narigi main body organization, ya'ni shahar bilan qishloqda alohida aytib o'tishimiz kerak. Nima qilaman? Shaharda kirish gap qo'yaman. Misol uchun in cities more people more population was affected by all 4 types of noise compared to in rural regions. Qishloq hududlariga solishtirganda. Demak, shaharlarda ko'proq aholi ta'sir ko'rgan edi. Barcha to'rtta turlardan shovqindi qishloq hududlariga solishtirganda. Endi during the day, figures fell heavily. Mana bu gap bizda demak traffic noiseniki bu yerga olyapman. Nuqta. Xo'p, endi the second most driver for noise pollution was train-related ones, where again more affected individuals' numbers were observed in urban places. Mana bu esa yana shahardagi edi. Nuqta. Hop, only in urban regions, while comparatively smaller numbers. Demek faqatgina to'rtta odamlar ta'sir ko'rgandi kun davomida. Shart emas urban region degan joy, sababi buni yozib o'tganman qolgan gaplarda. Strikingly for nighttime exposure kunduzgi exposure bir xil edi. Hop, while demak while only qancha odam edi? Nima haqida edi o'zi? Train related ekan. Trainmi yo aircraftmi? Aircraft ekan demak. Aircraftda shaharda 1 million edi. Demak only 1 million of affected population was registered at the night. Kechasi. Hop, industry. As far as industry was concerned, there were 1 million daytime affected population in the quarter of that at the night. In urban places. Hop, shahar hududlarida. Mana shunday ko'chirib olamiz. Nuqta. Demak buni bu rang bilan belgilab qo'ysam. Demak bo'ldi. Keyingisi qishloq hududlarda. Hop. Okay. Rural areas demek. The figure for rural exposure to noise was significantly reduced across all types of noise factors. Barcha shovqin turlarida. Rural counterparts exhibited less marked numbers. Rural counterparts suffering from nima edi? Traffic noise exhibited namoyish qildi. Exhibited $34 million during the day kun davomida and $24 million as a night va kechasi 24 million. Da endi trainchi train hop train again was the second leading cause for noise pollution in rural regions, qishloq hududlarida. Hop, qanchaga qancha? 8 ga 6 ekan. Demak, 8 million versus 6 million during the day and the night, respectively. Aircraft qayerga yozgandim? Demak, aircraft shuni yozib qo'yaveraman. By a considerable margin of 6 and 5 million in each part of the day. In the aircraft related noise format affected population ratio. Notably, in rural areas, the influence of industry noise was not observed at all. Demak, ko'rib turganingizda ikkinchi badiiyimiz ham tayyor. Va mana ikkala yo'nalishga, ikkala body organizationga ham уже menda misollar bor kirish gaplari bilan va bizda umumiy overview va mana bizda umumiy introduction. Hop. So that's it. Augustus page number ham qo'yib qo'yaylik. Page number da bo'ldi.